halos returned once again last night, but this particular picture is pretty special. So my uncle Jeff Hutchison in Delaware County appeared to have captured a double lunar halo. So you can clearly see the outer one here, but if you look closely inside, you could argue that there is a second ring around the moon. So the process is the exact same as if with one halo where the light refracts through ice crystals. But what's going on here is the angle of refraction might be a little bit smaller here, hence we get two halos appearing in the sky. So thank you, Uncle Hutch, for sending in that picture. That's a very unique picture. I've never seen double halos before in Ohio. Now, as we look at radar and satellite now, the clouds are really thickening across the area and temperatures in the middle to upper 30s. But right now, for the time being, we are dry. But as we zoom out, there's a pretty potent cyclone storm system across Kansas and Missouri. Look at the visible satellite imagery. Start right here. It's bowling ball eastward. A lot of spin to it. That is our next storm system that will give us rain, and there's plenty of it across Illinois, Indiana. Wintry mix and an ice storm going across Iowa, but locally here, we're not talking about any major impact in freezing rain. So as we look at Skycast for tonight, we're going to be dry for the next couple hours or so, but after 8 or 9 o'clock, we're going to get our first rain showers approaching and entering the area. By 11 o'clock or so, there's a very little bit of pink towards Napoleon. Can't completely rule out very brief freezing rain north of U.S. Route 6, but that's very, very brief. Anyways, most of the area will be all rain. This is going to be a pretty steady to heavy rain going into tomorrow morning. Going through most of our Sunday, we'll transition to steady rain to showers throughout most of the day, so it's going to be pretty wet. We're going to end the rain likely Sunday night, but lots of drizzle and maybe even some patchy fog possible Sunday night to Monday, but more rain's on the way for our Monday. Look at this, more steady rain for Monday morning right around sunrise and steady heavy showers, maybe even a rumble of thunder as we get some instability aloft, and then we'll finally end that steady rain as we end Monday night. So forecast rainfall for these two events, 3/4 of an inch to an inch through our Sunday, then an additional 3/4 to an inch locally higher for our Monday. So combine that together, easily 1 to 2 inches of rain, perhaps slightly higher amounts. So definitely going to need those rain boots, and we still need the rain because lots of moderate droughts still exist. So that should possibly end the drought for some portions of the area. So forecast for tonight, very brief freezing rain threat from 9 to midnight north of Route 6, but none for Lima and most of the region. Temperatures climb throughout the night with heavy rain after midnight. Going through our Sunday, steady rain through the morning, giving way to showers by the afternoon. Total rainfall through tomorrow afternoon, about an inch, highs around 46. Looking the rest of the 7-day, round 2 of rain on Monday, 55 with some thunder. Dry on Tuesday, some sun, 43. Showers on Wednesday for a colder air ride next weekend. Casey.